guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you guys are listening subscribers, welcome back to another video. So as you guys read by the title, on today I'm going to be giving you guys my emergency kit baggie that I have put together that I am going to share with you guys. If you guys aren't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell, so every time I upload a video you will be notified. And then also, before we get right into the video, if you are a Saints fan, comment down below, let me know that you're a Saints fan. I'm a big Saints fan. They played in the preseason this week. All I'm gonna just say is we got this in a bag. If you guys want to know more about my emergency first kit, thing first, you guys, so as we all know that we do have the time of the month, and it is very important to have you an emergency kit bag. We don't want to be walking around here looking crazy. So to avoid the craziness and the extraness, I got you. So this is a thick pad, y'all. This pad is something that I always did have on me, no matter what. The reason being because I always have thick pads just in case. Now, y'all know for the first couple days, it's like an overflowing, a tsunami. Everything is just coming out. So I do have a thick pad. As you guys can see, this is a very thick pad and it has wings. I'm a fan of pads with wings. The reason why I always say that I'm a big fan of pads with wings and a thicker pads in the beginning of the first couple days with our menstrual cycle is because having those wings on these pads are typically a safe haven, meaning you put your pad on, you lock it in with the wings. You don't have to worry about it going anywhere. You have to worry about it moving. You have to worry about it shifting, or ended up being somewhere that it ain't supposed to be. So I prefer wings 100%. I'm not gonna even hold y'all on that, because I just feel secure when I have my wings. Now, without wings, I don't know, some people can like get away with it, but I just always been a fan of pads with wings. These are a go-go. Now, as we get along within our days and as it get lighter and things are kind of slowing up and everything is kind of getting back to normal, I do like to transition over to a much more thinner pad, because therefore I know I won't have that much of overflow going. It's kind of slacking up on me, and this would be very helpful. Instead of having this big bulky pad on and I'm not overflowing as much, I can just change it up and then use my thinner pad. And this one also have wings as well. Now I do get always, and then sometimes I get the generic brands with the Dollar General. It just all depends. I'm not really like picky, but I want to make sure that it fits my body shape and I'm very comfortable when I do purchase pads. Tampons, I use tampons sometimes, not all the times, but I make sure that I have tampons just in case that I want to transition from pads to tampons, small, medium kind. I don't have the big bulky big ones because I typically use it maybe on my second or third day. This would help me. And I make sure that also, I didn't even mention this, that I do change out my pads every time I go to the bathroom or every 2 hours, so I can keep down the odor and just to keep everything flowing the way it needs to go, and just change them out when I need to change them. Something that's I always kept in my bag as well, because even if you're not on your cycle, we do also have a discharge. It's not nothing bad, but as women, we need something for us to discharge to fall onto, and panty liners are a way to go, because don't be walking around here naked down there. You need something to catch your discharge. Okay, so I do have panty liners. I am a big fan of panty liners. They are the go as well. We have some wipes. These are wipes that you can get from the dollar store, from Walmart, Target, wherever you shop to get your personal hygiene things from. But I also want to make sure that I always want to get fragrance free and then sensitive as well, because you always want to prefer you to get the fragrance free and the sensitive kind of wipes, so you can freshen up throughout your bathroom time, or freshen up every time you go to change out your pads or panty liners. Refreshing. I got this from actual Bath and Body Works. It's kind of sort of almost running out. Now I do have a big bottle of this in my actual perfume collection, and it's travel size. You can spray it on you all throughout the day if you wanted to keep yourself fresh. It's a good smell. It's refreshing. It's not too strong. It's not too heavy. Get you a good body mist that you can spray on you throughout the day, or also after you leave from the bathroom. You can also spray this on you so you can keep yourself fresh as well. Being a woman, you're gonna have pain, cramps, and stuff like that. Now I do have Tylenol that I keep, and this is the extra strength, because extra strength always get me right every time. Ones they are right, but something about the extra strength just give me that extra relief in some kind of way. And then also, if I don't have any extra strength Tylenol, I will always have my menstrual pain relief. Here you can purchase this from, this is actually from Family Dollar. This is how it looks, in case you guys wanted to get that. And then, like I said, this is the extra strength Tylenol. I have them bad. Them pains, them cramps is no joke, and I don't want to be walking around here cramped up. And deodorant is also very, very important before we leave the house, after we shower, before we go to bed. Some people might not wear deodorant before to bed, and that's perfectly fine. I mean, some people like to breathe at nighttime, meaning like when they breathing, meaning not wearing any panties, not wearing any bras, or not wearing anything to bed. They just want to give their body actual rest from wearing any fragrances, any deodorants or sprays, lotions, and stuff like that. And it's understandable, because you do want to give your body a break from all these different kind of smells and stuff like that. But typically, sometimes I put my deodorant on at night, sometimes I don't. I just have my little moments where I put on my deodorants. But it's very important for you to have on deodorant, and to always keep yourself shaved underneath your arms. If you are in that category as far as shaving, you may not shave, and that's okay. That's your preference. I'm not here to judge you. Do what you do best for you. But yeah, I have the swab, and this is in the powder invisible solids kind. You guys know this is not in a specific order. This is not in a specific order. I'm just grabbing and going with it, and you guys, you guys will get it. I'm going to tell you guys that I'm going to have sanitizer in my bag, because you touch everything. We touch everything, and sometimes when we touch a lot of stuff, it's be like not even thinking, because you're so used to touching stuff that you don't even have your sanitizer, because it's the new norm now. We all need sanitizer, no matter what, in our bag, our purse, in our car. Everywhere we need to look around, backwards, frontwards, we need sanitizer, because it's very important to keep the germs away. So this is very important as well to keep with. Our hands tend to get dry, so I do have a little small jar of lotion that I keep with me, and this keep my hands very moisturized and refreshed throughout the day, due to the fact of me washing and sanitizing my hand all the time. It dries it out, so I want to make sure I have something to keep my hands very moisturized throughout the day. Also want to have a mask with you in your purse, disposable mask as well, in your purse or in your car. No matter what, have you a mask, because you want to make sure that you are safe and you are 6 feet apart from people. And then just wear your mask across your nose, not underneath your nose. Wear you a mask so you can stay safe. A color for panties. Now, the way how I have my actual setup is, I have a section just for my menstrual cycle days, and then I also have my other panties are just for my normal days. Black underwears, of course. This is basically, I just picked up some cotton breathable underwear to show you guys that you do need that as well. When I'm on my menstrual cycle, I always want to make sure that I'm as comfortable as possible. I want to make sure that my underwears aren't as tight. I want to make sure that they are cotton. I want to make sure that they are breathable and they are just right for my body type. And I want to make sure that throughout these last couple of days that I want to be perfectly good with the perfect underwears. So that's very important to have on comfortable underwear throughout your menstrual cycle days. Gum is very important as well throughout the day when you're eating and stuff like that. You really need gum. Gum is very essential, especially when you are at work. You have a busy day. You just want to and you're eating and stuff like that, you want to have gum. Gum is very important to keep on you, to keep your mouth fresh throughout your day. And like I do have this. This is a toothbrush with the toothbrush cover. I have a tongue scraper. I do have some toothpaste, and then also I have the actual flossers, disposable flossers. They should be disposable, right? If you use them one time, you need to be throwing them away instead of using them back to back over and over, because that's very nasty, and that can literally cause a lot of bacteria. You're actually reusing it and putting all of that nasty gunk that you had into your previous usage into the one that you want to use now. It won't work out. It will be very disgusting, and it's something that you need to use one time and throw it away. So you want to floss, you want to brush your teeth, and you want to scrape your tongue. Gum in as well. Last but not least, this is some Carmex, guys. You know, every time we brush our teeth, our lips tend to get dry. And then not just that, even if you just want to keep your lips moisturized throughout the day, Carmex is really good, because something about the Carmex, it leaves a tingling, minty feel on your lips. Therefore, you know it's working for you. So I applaud Carmex, because they get the job done and it makes your lips feel like they are getting the best moisturized you could ever feel in your life. Carmex just do something to my lips. So that sums up my video. If this is something that you guys enjoy, did you do a actual minimum hygiene emergency kit? If you did, please leave your link down below so I can check it out. If you guys enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also comment down below, let me know if you guys were here. And if you guys were here, let me know if you enjoyed this, because I really did enjoy it. I'm always enjoying it. Every time I put out a video, I'm always enjoying it. Sometimes I get a little nervous, but once I get to continue to do it over and over and over, I get better and better. And I like to let you know that if you are the type of person that's like shy on the camera, or you get nervous, or you're afraid to say this or afraid to say that, just go for it and shoot your shot and be positive, smile, and girl, talk to that camera like you're talking to somebody on the phone, or you in front of somebody. I promise you, you keep putting out videos, you will get better. But this sums up my video. Hope you guys enjoy, and take care. Bye now.